Alright, well, here we are again. I'm about to go out here in a little bit to go sorry about swearing. I'm about to go out in a little bit and get some more Pokemon tins. I'm gonna try at least. I'd like to get like 5 of these just to have them for me, you know? I got some of these yesterday too. Stupid, but it was only 12 bucks, you know? So why not? I don't think there's anything special in it, but you know, why not? But I also got this to be opening right now, so that was the main purpose of this video. And live in the projects, coming at you right now. And here they come. It's not bad. Oh, Feebas. I got an SIR of him. And that one is Tinglu. Don't think I have that one yet. Cool card. Ow. So I know I used it. Alright, let's get to one more at least, you know? Got a whole thing of them, so. There it goes. And live in the projects. Take 2. And here they come. Where does that come? Boom! Hey, that's a hit. Gossipod EX, hell yeah, that's a hit. Score! That's one for home team. Heck yeah, I like it. I did okay today. Catch y'all later.